Take a moment to arrive here, right where you are. Close your eyes and take one conscious breath in, inhaling in fully through your nose and exhaling with a sigh and release through your mouth. You've been feeling something that isn't entirely yours lately, a low hum of anxiety that follows you even when your own life is okay. A heaviness that descends when you open your phone or computer, or even worse, tune into the news. A fear that seems to live in the air itself. That is collective fear, and you are feeling it because you are human and you are connected to the world around you. That sensitivity is not weakness, it is your humanity. As you inhale, separate yourself gently from what belongs to the collective and what belongs to you. Feel the difference between your own breath and the world's breath. And as you exhale, release what is not yours to carry. The fear that belongs to the news cycle, the anxiety that belongs to the headlines. Let it move through you and out like wind through an open window. You can care deeply about the world without drowning in its fear. Breathe your own breath. Stand in your own peace. That is your greatest gift to a frightened world. I am sending you so much love.